Hi, everybody. My name is Roshan, and tonight I'm going to be talking to you guys quickly about a side project of mine that I've been working on the last few weeks. It is called Meteor Help, and you can access it right now at meteorhelp.com. And basically, Meteor Help is built to be a catalog of all the learning resources out there for Meteor, and basically a Yelp for Meteor content. And the idea is that every day people are publishing more and more books, courses, tutorials, videos, question and answer sites, lists, and it's hard for someone coming into the community to figure out, where to start, what are the best things to do, and people have different learning styles. Some people like tutorials, some people like books, some people like, courses. So the idea here was just to catalog all of that, and hopefully with some community feedback, generate some reviews and some ratings and difficulty rankings also. So, people can rank and decide whether they want to start with basic tutorials or advanced stuff. So I've uploaded about 62 or 63 resources that I've been able to find in the Meteor community. There's obviously way more out there, and I encourage you guys to submit your content. It's super easy. Just log in with GitHub and then add your content right over here. If you have content on the site right now, like if you're R Node and you own Meteor Hacks, then you can actually go to one of these pages and click Claim This Content right down at the bottom there, and I'll approve your request, and then that way you have editability on the description and all of that kind of stuff. For everyone else out there, I encourage you to get on the site, rate all the resources that you have used or read in the past, maybe submit new ideas and stuff like that, and hopefully by the time Meteor 1.0 comes out and we have a big influx of new users, that they'll have a good place to go and get started and figure out their way in the Meteor universe. So that's all I really have. You guys can check it out. There's some features in here. You can tag content by paid, video content, email lists, that kind of thing. So I'll take any questions.
Is there any attempt to go to the next deeper level? You've got all the different sites up there, but could I search for all the articles related to creating a package or something?
So the question is there an ability to go into a deeper level of search and find all the resources related to packages or something like that? Right now, so I threw this thing, well, basically, I set an internal deadline of launching this by this dev shop, so the search is pretty basic, just searches the name right now, but I plan on implementing full text search on the description fields, and I'm hoping that content authors will put enough keywords and stuff in there that, it lets people search for specifics.
A suggestion for you, which is to get rid of the 5 stars and just say useful, not useful.
Okay.
Or should just make it useful so that the more people find it useful, the more it shows up. Because 5 stars is just too subjective.
Okay. That was a suggestion to replace the 5 stars with a useful or not useful kind of thing. So I'll touch on that a little bit. So I was trying to make this a little bit different than Creator.io or like a news site where you're upvoting with that kind of system. So this was built more towards a permanent base for this content, right? So more like a Yelp kind of thing. But yeah, that's a great suggestion. Thank you.
One more question.
Do you plan to go into that, as in within Quora, there is this awesome answer, or just Quora itself regarding all Meteor questions?
Well, can you repeat the question, the beginning part?
The question is if you plan to allow submitting specific resources versus an entire site like Quora. So Quora has a
Okay.
question. On Meteor, only a few might be.
So the question is, do you allow more specific resources like articles within a total site, right? And the answer is yes. So there is an articles page here where a lot of these are single page articles that have been written, and then also I've added on this is within Steven's site, I think is here today, and on top of that, I think his blog is posted in the blog section as a whole. So yeah, hopefully we will include both things.
Is it open source?
No, it's not open source. Maybe in the future, I'll think about it.
That's it for questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.